You're not alone. In today's digital world, where breaches and hacks happen all too often, relying solely on a password feels a little, well, flimsy. That's where two-factor authentication, or 2FA, comes in. It adds an extra layer of security to your accounts, making it much harder for unauthorized access. But with so many different 2FA options out there, it can get confusing. Today, we're diving deep into a specific one, the Newton Authenticator app. So, what exactly is the Newton Authenticator app? Hold on a beat. Because the truth is, there isn't actually a dedicated Newton Authenticator app. Newton, the cryptocurrency exchange platform, utilizes a standard 2FA system. They simply recommend using a third-party authenticator app to generate those time-sensitive codes. Alright, but what kind of authenticator apps work with Newton? Here's the good news, Newton plays nicely with a bunch of popular options. Some of the big names include Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, and Authy. These are all free, secure, and readily available on both iOS and Android devices. So how does this whole 2FA with Newton work? Let's break it down step by step. Imagine you're logging into your Newton account. You'll enter your usual username and password, just like before. But here's where the magic happens. After those initial details, Newton will prompt you for a one-time code. This is where your trusty authenticator app comes in. Open it up, and you'll see a unique code displayed. This code changes every 30 seconds or so, making it nearly impossible for anyone else to guess or steal. Simply enter that code into the Newton login screen, and voila! You're securely logged in. Why should you bother with 2FA on Newton? Think of it like locking your front door. A password is like the first lock, it keeps casual intruders out. But with 2FA, you're adding a deadbolt for an extra layer of protection. Cryptocurrency is valuable, and taking that extra security step can make a world of difference. Setting up 2FA with Newton is actually pretty straightforward. We won't go through the entire process here, but generally, you'll find the option within your Newton account settings under a section like Security or Two-Factor Authentication. Once there, you'll be presented with a QR code or a secret key. This is what you'll use to link your chosen authenticator app to your Newton account. Is there anything else to keep in mind with Newton and 2FA? Absolutely. Here are a couple of bonus tips. Don't lose access to your authenticator app. Make sure to back up your app's data or seed so you can recover it if you lose your phone. Consider using a different authenticator app for each of your important accounts. This way, a breach in one app doesn't compromise all your accounts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe out there in the crypto world.